most people aren't going to be changing their filters as often as the instructions say, right?
That's correct.
Because, they cost and, what the heck, it's going to filter and the water seems to drip through it and it'll be fine.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's not fine.
No, it's not fine. And that's why on AquaTru countertop water purifiers, we have a light that lights up when it's time to change the filter. It tells you to change the filter and you just go ahead and change the filter. It takes between 30 seconds and 1 minute to change a filter. But also the filter lives on AquaTru water purifiers. On this model, there are 3 filters. There's a pre-carbon filter that removes the chlorine. There's the reverse osmosis filter. Reverse osmosis is to remove inorganic compounds. That means lead, fluoride, which we didn't talk about.
We should.
Which is pretty much in all of our water supplies and extremely dangerous. Even in low doses, it's a neurotoxin just like lead. And then we have this final VOC carbon filter that removes like those PFAS and also the prescription drug residue. This one in this unit lasts for 300 gallons, this is 600 gallons, and this is 300 gallons again. The machine itself will tell you when it's time to change the filters. Some of our other models made for larger homes have double the filter life, and we have an under-sink model also.
This is your newest one, right?
Yes, this is the newest AquaTru. We want to make our products as accessible as possible without taking away from the performance of the product. So we spent probably a year figuring out how do we reduce the cost of this as much as possible, also make it more compact so it can fit into a smaller kitchen. And yes, this has quickly become our best-selling water purifier.